So, welcome to the video, guys. In this video, I'm going to explain you guys how to connect the MetaMask to the Decentraland website and how to go about playing in the event, which is Ice Poker. So here, first of all, we need to go to the website Decentraland. So let's just type Decentraland in Google, and we'll be there in the website. The website looks quite good. Personally, I think this is a very unique concept. It's a whole world, virtual world owned by its users, and there are a lot of things, lands to explore, lot of events that are always happening. So let's just go on and set up our Decentraland. So here there are two options. There is one as play as guest, where the information would be locally stored, and the experience would not be as great as we'll have through the wallet. And there is the other option, which is play using your wallet. So where our wallet ID would be connected with this. So we are clicking on our wallet, which is MetaMask, and then MetaMask will pop up. We'll go next, we'll connect it, then it would load up. So MetaMask will basically it will give them details, and we'll log in as a user. So here we'll sign this. Now Decentraland will download a few things, set up our environment, and then we'll have our own land. Where here this is the customize section, where you can customize yourself like whatever you want to. I'm randomizing right now, so I'm saying done. Let's put your name. So we'll put some name, and let's just say we are putting the name, and there is also, you can also input email. You need to read the terms and conditions, terms of service, which you'll read. Let's just move through it, and this will load the Decentraland website again. So it's a very unique concept, which I must say again. And so this is a starting page. This is the world. We are given access, and see, we have a lot of things already happening around. So let's just go, and we can move around like this. There are a lot of other people as well here, and we should go. You can see things. There are events, classics, crowd here. Now we need to know more about the Ice Poker, which is a very interesting event that's happening right now. So which we can see there already. We can use ENF to scroll the events. We can use this, and then we have this, and we can select it. We can click on jump it. Let's just end the tutorial. Yes. Dismiss this, and we can view profile as well, like a lot of people, and then we can jump in on this. Okay, so it's giving our option to jump in to the poker lounge. So let's just jump in. We're jumping into the poker lounge now. So before getting into the poker lounge, so we are already in the poker lounge, and we can go about playing games and everything here. And before going in, let's just read about poker lounge. So basically, this is a play to earn metaverse poker, where we can we can earn tokens by playing poker, blackjack, roulette, and slots. Everything that happens in the poker, there are play to earn tokens and everything. There's a player journey, there is an NFT track. Player earns by playing the poker. Players are earning poker, everything. Okay, so we are checking into play, everything. This is the marketplace. This is the variables marketplace. We also connect this with our MetaMask, so we can access everything. Let's just go back, and let's see everything. There is a daily leaderboard. Let things load around, and as okay, so we are here. There are a lot of tables here where we can play and earn tokens. There are already a lot of people playing this Texas Hold'em. You can also play here. go to the table and look around people. There is this, you can see everything that's happening around. You can see profiles of people. Let's just close this. Let's check in. See, we have to acquire first of all an ICE variable to play this. So you can go here and you can browse this, connect your MetaMask with this first. Again, connecting, we can browse this variables and we can get one on OpenSea. You can get one and then you can go and play the games that are already happening here. So that's how we'll play and earn tokens on ICE Poker, which is happening here. Yeah. So we can earn the tokens as well when everyone else is playing. We can also play when we have a variable which we will buy from here, as you can, and that's how we'll play the ICE Poker. Here we have 3 steps that you can also read. I'll put every link in the description. Hope you guys have fun playing poker and earning a passive income as well. There are a lot of rules here as well. You can learn everything and go on putting up money, earning everything. Good luck, guys. I hope you have fun in your own virtual land. Thank you.